Hi guys, welcome to Say Shadow Lessons. As you see, we are still on transformation, describing the given transformations. But for now, we are given this question and we are asked to describe. The question said, describe the transformations which maps the graph of y is equals to x squared onto y is equals to x squared minus 8x plus 10. Then we are awarded 5 marks. Since 5 marks is allocated, what do you think? Then the first step, you have to completing the square to this question in order for your answer or for your solution should be in the form x minus a all squared plus b, where a and b are constants. You have to complete the square to this question so that your solution will be in the form this one and you'll be able to describe it. So let's now complete the square. Completed the square. The law of completing the square said that you have to add half coefficient of x squared to this part. We have to add half the coefficient of x squared. Half of coefficient of x is the half of coefficient of x, but remember the coefficient of x is minus 8. So half of minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 squared is 16. So adding 16, which means it's half the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of x minus 8. The half of minus 8, which is minus 4. Minus 4 squared. Remember I said half the coefficient of x squared. Then plus 10. Then for this one, we have to subtract half the coefficient of x squared. This one, which is half the coefficient of x is minus 4. Minus 4 squared is 16. Subtract 16. So y is equals to. Then we have this one. Then let's consider this part. Considering this part, let's factorize. Factorizing this one, the factors of 16x squared, which will give us minus 8, which is the factors of 16. The factors of 16, which will give us 8. Remember, 16 is here, then is 8, 2, 4, 2, 4. So which means the factors of 16, the factors of 16. So it's 2. This one is 8, 4, 2, then 2, 2, 1. So the factor of 16 is minus 4 and minus 4, which will give us minus 8. And if you multiply them, the answer should be positive 16, which is x minus 4 and x minus 4. Then plus subtracting 16, which is minus 6. So y is equals to, since these ones are similar, we should leave our answer in this form. So x minus 4 all squared, then subtracting 6. So our solution now is in the form this one. Let's now describe. What do you see? What do you see? Since you want to describe it this one, y is equals to x minus 4 all squared and subtracting 6. What do you think are the solutions which you describe this question? First thing, when describing, let's first take the simplest part. This one becomes its translation. Since it's negative 6, everything is already negative 6. It's translation. 6 units. Since it's subtracting 6 is downwards. 6 units downwards. along the y-axis. Then second point, x subtracting 4 all squared is a symbol of reflection. It's a symbol of reflection, so we have to write reflection along the, since x minus 4 is guided by x, which means along the x-axis, or the line y is equals to 0. Then third part, we are left with negative 4, which means this one is also a translation. Along so it's translation, since it's negative 4 here, so it's translation 4 units, since it's negative should be opposite, so instead of moving to the negative part should be positive, since it's negative. These two are opposites, so translation 4 units rightwards along the x-axis. So 2 marks will be awarded for completing the square, and other 3 marks will be awarded for describing the transformations after completing the square. As I said, don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet on the next episode. Also describing other concepts of transformations. From different conditions, we have to describe the transformations. So for now, take your time. If you did not subscribe before, please subscribe. Thank you guys.